Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about the highly anticipated 2026 Toyota Celica. From its striking exterior to its performance capabilities, let's break down what makes this sports coupe a game changer. Starting with the front, the 2026 Celica features a low-slung stance and aggressive styling cues. The sharp LED headlights with signature daytime running lights create a futuristic look, while the wide front grille enhances airflow and cooling. Moving to the rear, the Celica showcases a sporty yet refined design. Sleek LED taillights wrap around the sides, providing a modern aesthetic that pays homage to previous Celica generations. A sculpted rear bumper with integrated air vents improves aerodynamics, while the dual exhaust tips hint at the car's sporty performance. The subtle lip spoiler adds a touch of aggression, ensuring the Celica looks just as good from behind as it does from the front. Inside the cabin, Toyota has combined driver-focused ergonomics with premium materials. The low-slung driving position and bolstered sport seats provide excellent support during spirited driving. The digital instrument cluster offers customizable displays, while the touchscreen infotainment system features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless charging. Soft touch materials, aluminum accents, and ambient lighting create a modern and refined atmosphere. Performance is where the Celica truly shines. Under the hood, expect a turbocharged 2.4-liter inline-4 engine, delivering an estimated 300 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque, paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission or an 8-speed automatic. While Toyota has yet to announce official pricing, industry experts predict the 2026 Celica will start around $30,000 to $35,000, making it an affordable option in the sports coupe segment. Higher performance GR variants could push the price closer to $40,000. Toyota is expected to unveil the 2026 Celica in late 2025, with dealership availability beginning in early 2026. Pre-orders may open shortly after the official reveal, so enthusiasts should stay tuned to secure their spot.